Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's been snowing for 4 hours, and this is Stephanie's reaction. She has thoroughly lost her mind. And it is now 8:10 in the evening. This is part 3 of my documentary, The Blizzard of 2010. It's 8:10 on the dot. And let's show you how much snow we have now. We have about this much snow. About maybe, I'll say 2.5 inches. Like I say, they're forecasting the major stuff later on this evening. Sadie's in the same position she was earlier. Begging for the Lord knows what for, we don't know. Good one, Sade. You're always begging, aren't you? And let's see. Here's the weather forecaster over here. And this is what it looked like on the streets. And now as it's getting dark, bam. Look at all that snow. Alright, well, let's look out the front window here so we can see the snow coming down maybe. Oh, there it is. You can just see it coming down out there. Kind of at that street lamp. Oh. So it's coming down. We'll see. I'm still saying 12 inches. Whoa, this dude out here just like spun out. He's stuck.
Someone's trying to drive?
Yeah, somebody's trying to drive. And they're definitely stuck at the top of the hill. Craziness. Alright, well, I made some brownies earlier. And Steph and I are going to eat the brownies. Right, Steph?
Yummy, yummy.
And we're going to have ice cream, brownies, and chocolate syrup. Alright, we'll be back for part 4 later on.